Hello Mercedes, my name is Carl and I'm a representative from Cortex RTO. Thank you for your interest in enrolling with us today. I'll be asking a few questions to better understand your background and explain the qualifications that might suit your goals. Please feel free to share any concerns or feedback.
Okay.
Now, can you please tell me about your previous work experience, specifically your role as kitchen staff in restaurants back in Guatemala?
Yes, back in Guatemala, I worked in restaurants for several years. I was kitchen staff helping with food preparation, cleaning, and working with the team. I enjoy working in a busy environment.
Okay. I understand you're looking to strengthen your professional experience with a qualification. Can you share what encouraged you to explore training in Australia?
I want to study because I think I have a qualification in Australia. I think having a qualification in Australia will help me get a better job. I already have experience, but I don't have Australian certificates, so I want to learn and improve.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good plan and a way to move forward. So the training that I would recommend for this would be training BSB 401, which is Certificate 2 in Workplace Skills. I think this will just help you build essential workplace skills like communication, teamwork, and basic digital skills. And this will help you transition into Australian workplaces and support future career pathways. So when you're going for interviews and if you have one of these qualifications, then it just makes it a lot better for potential employees. This qualification requires 12 units in total. It's got 1 core unit and 11 elective units. Just some of the examples of the units: plan and apply time management, work effectively with others, contribute to health and safety of self and others, use business software applications, develop and apply thinking skills, and communicate in the workplace. So I think all of those units that will help you really get those goals that you were telling me about before.
The Certificate 2 sounds good. I like that it teaches workplace skills and communication. I think it will help me understand how work is done in Australia.
Yeah, I think it really fits in well with your goals. You might have some concerns around English communication or using computers or understanding some written assessments. These are very common for learners new to Australian or formal study. So at Cortex RTO, we support learners by using plain English materials, allowing translation apps or tools. We also provide help with basic digital and computer skills, and we offer additional explanations and support during training and assessment. We also encourage people who might have problems understanding just to sit a bit closer to the trainer for easier communication.
My main concern is my English, especially speaking and writing. Sometimes I know what I want to say, but it's hard to explain. I'm also not very confident using computers.
Yeah, so with that support that I mentioned before, I think that's just going to go a long way into allaying some of those fears. Mercedes, based on what I've explained, how do you feel about this qualification? Do you have any questions or feedback?
I feel positive about this qualification. I think it's a good start for me, and I just hope I get enough support while I'm learning.
Yeah, that's really good, and it's good to see that you feel that way. And obviously, we'll be here to give you that support as it's needed. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Your feedback is important, and we can adjust support strategies to suit your learning needs. We'll continue to work closely with you to ensure you feel confident and supported throughout your studies. Just now we've come to the end of the interview, I'd like to just ask you a couple of questions. So before we finish, do you have any questions or concerns? Any other questions or concerns you'd like to ask about the course or studying with Cortex RTO?
Yes, I just want to ask, if I don't understand something in class, can I ask the trainer again? Sometimes I need things explained more than once.
Of course, Mercedes. Our trainers are happy to explain things again in different ways if needed. We want to make sure you fully understand the content of the course.
That's good. Also, will the assessment be very hard? I feel nervous about writing.
I understand that concern. Assessments are designed to be fair and practical, and we can provide reasonable support such as verbal explanations, templates, and extra guidance without changing the assessment outcome.
Okay, thank you. That makes me feel more comfortable about studying.
You're very welcome, Mercedes. We're here to support you every step of the way, and we look forward to helping you succeed.
Thank you.